that? Like, okay, make a room, honey. Make a room, daddy. Is that yours? Come on, wheel out your new car. Say thank you, daddy.
Okay, that's your start button. Okay, your gas pedal. Gas pedal.
Ooh, careful. Nice birthday present. He's gonna wheel it out. You gonna push it out first?
Climb in.
Climb in, daddy will push it out for you.
That's why I opened up both doors. Here you go.
Go, 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 honey. Nice ride. You're not gonna go to Walmart and look up and shelf over there. It's like it's past overdue, daddy. It's been a year.
Wheels spinning.
Move, what is it? Push it.
The grass is still too wet.
I know.
Is this for reminding me he looks like Chaz?
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna get inside.